Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by turning the unit off with the remote, then cut power at the wall to clear transient states. Once done, check the Panasonic remote model and batteries because the Wi-Fi indicator behavior can vary by model. Make sure you have safe access to the indoor unit and the remote in hand. You will use the remote service or setting buttons next. This immediate preparation speeds the process and prevents accidental resets that would complicate removing the Wi-Fi icon. Now you access the remote's hidden settings. Press and hold the mode and temperature buttons for about 5 to 10 seconds to open the service menu on many Panasonic remotes. Once visible, look for Wi-Fi, wireless, or network options and set them to local or OFF. This removes the icon because the AC stops advertising connectivity. If your model lacks that entry, toggle operation modes and power cycles while watching the display. Sometimes switching to auto then back clears the indicator. Finally, restore power and confirm the Wi-Fi icon is gone. You may need to restart the remote to refresh the display. If the icon persists, isolate the indoor unit's network module. Power off for 30 seconds or, if accessible, disconnect the module plug to force a reset, then power back on. Make sure to reattach securely. If the symbol remains because the module is hardware locked or firmware enforced, contact Panasonic service. Do not force hardware changes that void warranty.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.